waking up from your slumber, is there a place that you're at right now where you feel like you're just waking up and you're just going and doing a routine?
Days they force you back under those covers. Lazy mornings they multiply. Glory's waiting outside your window. So wake on up from your slumber, baby, open up your eyes. Tongues are violent, personal and focused. Tough to be with your steady mind. Hearts are stronger and broken. So wake on up from your slumber, baby, open up your eyes. All these victims stand in line for crumbs that fall from the table, just enough to get by. All the while your invitation, wake on up from your slumber, baby, open up your eyes. Wake on up from your slumber, baby, open up your eyes. All you want now, please don't trade it in for life. Replace your feeble with the fable. Wake on up from your slumber, baby, open up your eyes. Wake on up from your slumber, baby, open up your eyes. All these victims stand in line for crumbs that fall from the table, just enough to get by. All the while your invitation, wake on up from your slumber, baby, open up your eyes. Wake on up from your slumber, baby, open up your eyes. That fall from the table, just enough to get by. All the while your invitation, wake on up from your slumber, baby, open up your eyes. Wake on up from your slumber, baby, open up your eyes. Wake on up from your slumber, baby, open up your eyes.
Are the lazy mornings just multiplying on you? This song is incredibly resonant to me, and that's why we made it into a video, just to help raise those emotions up in you, that perhaps you need to wake up from your slumber. There's a dream that's inside of you, there's passions inside of you that are just glowing. And maybe you forgot them, maybe you pushed them away, and they need to be taken out of that shelf that you pushed them into, and brought back out into life.